Hello, welcome to this online section of Speech 1113. I'm your instructor, Jerry Overton. I look forward to working with you over the next few weeks. To give you some background on me, I've been teaching speech at OSU OKC for the past 2 years and teach both in class and online. In addition, this fall, I'll be starting my third year of work toward my PhD in communication at the University of Oklahoma, where I also teach speech and intro to communications classes. I have a master's degree in mass communication from South Dakota State and a BA in broadcast journalism from the University of Arkansas. For the past 38 years, I've worked in television and radio as a reporter, a news anchor, sports anchor, and talk show host. And for the past 20 years, I've been working in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, and I continue my journalism pursuits in Dallas on weekends today. I believe my education, coupled with my extensive background as a broadcaster, will help me guide you through this class. Before you start working on the assignments, I strongly suggest you review the syllabus and schedule for the course. The syllabus provides you with basic course information such as required text, course description, my guidelines for assignments, how to turn in assignments, policy for late work, plagiarism, contact information for me, and the schedule of assignments and more. Again, I strongly suggest you read the syllabus for yourself, but I do want to go over a few items and review my requirements. First, the text is required. I do present a lot of material from outside sources to go along with the information that you read in the text. Some of my test questions on the final exam will come from the text and will not be covered in these video lectures, and you are responsible for the chapters assigned. Now let's talk about turning in assignments. I provided a schedule of the class so you'll know when assignments are due. The schedule is attached to the syllabus. Both written and video assignments are to be posted to D2L, the online classroom, by the date shown on the assignment list. Assignments not turned in on time will be allowed under the late work policy allowed in the syllabus. I use the date stamp on D2L in determining when an assignment is actually turned in. Also, let me be clear, I do not accept assignments via email. I literally get 50 to 100 emails a day over 6 email accounts. Posting to D2L ensures that I get your assignment. I have the ability to grade it and post comments for your review, and there is no chance of the assignment getting overlooked, deleted, or lost. If you have problem posting videos to D2L, you must consult with technical support at OSU OKC and resolve your problem. Communication is a big issue in an online class. Please know that I will communicate with you primarily through email. I will make assignments, notify you of changes to the schedule, if any, answer your questions, etc. through the OSU OKC email system. The email address you see here is the best way to contact me with any questions, thoughts, comments, whatever, and I will attempt to respond within 24 hours, including most weekends. Also, please remember this. It is your responsibility to check your email on a regular basis. If I've made a change in the schedule and provided advance notification to you via your OSU OKC email account, you are responsible, and the excuse, "I didn't know," will not be accepted. I do also have a phone you can call Monday through Friday. Chances are I won't actually answer it, but you can leave a voicemail and I'll respond either by calling you back or sending an email. For some of you, this course will be enjoyable and fun. For others, it can be very frightening. For those of you who are petrified at the very thought of getting up to give a speech, try not to worry. I've had many students over the course of my teaching career, as well as talk show guests, who are literally shaking with fear because they are scared about getting up in front of someone to speak or going on radio or television to talk about something. This is natural and can be overcome with practice and preparation. You're going to hear me talk quite a bit over the next few weeks about these two concepts. If you are talking about a topic that you know well and understand, and you have prepared yourself to talk about it, your fear of speaking will diminish. There are also some techniques which we will be discussing in a later video that you can use to reduce your speech anxiety. For all of you, this course can be used in just about every aspect of your future life. You may not speak in large auditoriums, in front of big groups of people, but the skills you learn in this class can be used to make presentations in other classes, to talk to neighborhood groups, to make business and professional presentations, and the list of uses is virtually endless. Finally, there is one thing you must remember as we progress through this course. It does take dedication, preparation, and being organized to do well. In an online course, it's very easy to say, I'll get the assignment done tomorrow. I'm okay. I'll get that assignment done next week. And before you know it, you're behind and you have to do a lot of work in a very short period of time, or you miss an assignment deadline and lose points for late work. Early in the course, remember this, I am not as concerned with your speaking performance as I am with your preparation. Did you create an outline in the form that I want you to use? Did you do the proper research? Is the bibliography typed in the proper style and format? Those are the things I'm looking for early in the course. Later, when we get to the informative and persuasive speeches, you will have completed a couple of speeches, you will have seen my critiques, and for those speeches, I'll be grading more heavily on your performance, although thorough preparation, outlines, and those criteria are a major part of any good presentation. Again, good luck, and I look forward to working with you in this class.